All right, so there's two HVAC systems here. This is a split system that goes up through to the second deck and to the second level. This is only for the second level. It's nice because it's off the ground and it seems to be in fairly good shape. And nice and clean. And then the other one is the Mastercraft Pro from Century, and it also looks pretty clean. It is a little off the ground, but not too much. And this one is for the main floor, main bedrooms. So we can see here, it's slightly off the ground. All right, so we're doing the HVAC. This is the main intake for the lower level. And so this, they're using a filter made out of this, I guess because of the humidity, so this can be clean. Oops. And the condition of the pipes. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. Okay, so this is the air intake, and when I look in, it's literally like an empty space. And not quite. So it's like this little area, but I don't see any vent pipes or anything. And the ventilation is like, they look like this, basically. And so he's got a split system upstairs, but the system the HVAC system, oh no, that's for the split. Oh yeah, it's over there. So comes into the property, so it's there. This is for the split system that's upstairs. And I'm just a little confused as to what or how. I guess this just gets circulated in, and it has some kind of a wire. I don't really know what I can suggest here, except maybe to use a different filter. Any ideas, any help would be grateful. Thank you.